buying the most specialized conditioner is the easy mistake. Your curl type matters, but detangling method, styling routine, fragrance, and product role matter more. Choose detangling first, unless styling needs take priority. For drugstore. Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Moisturizing Conditioner. If you use generous handfuls every wash, I'd start here. It's positioned for wavy and curly textures that need routine softening, smoothing, and detangling. That straightforward role makes sense when conditioner is a frequently replaced utility, not the centerpiece of your styling routine. But specialization isn't the point here. I wouldn't choose it specifically for color-treated curls or a humidity-focused routine. So buy it when easy detangling and frequent use matter most. Skip it when your conditioner needs a targeted styling role beyond the shower. For frizzy hair. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Smoothing Conditioner. Do you regularly detangle before blow-drying or flat ironing? That's the routine where I'd pick this lightweight oil option over a basic rinse-out conditioner. Its role combines smoothing with easier detangling before heat styling, so the conditioner supports what happens next. The floral fragrance is the clearest trade-off, especially if scented products linger for you. And despite the name, this isn't the dedicated color care option here. I also wouldn't choose it mainly for working through thick coils. Skip it if fragrance bothers you or shower detangling matters more than styling preparation. For color-treated hair. Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Strengthening Hair Repair Conditioner. This is the option I'd consider when color-treated curls shape the entire wash routine. Its positioning centers on reparative care for color-treated or damaged curls, rather than high-volume detangling. That focus gives it a clear buyer, but the practical details are thinner here. Detangling ability and fragrance aren't established, so don't assume it'll replace a slippery shower workhorse. I wouldn't buy it for thick curls that require generous amounts just to remove knots. Skip it if your main problem is detangling volume, not choosing a color care-focused conditioner. For humidity. Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Defrizzing Conditioner. If humid weather regularly changes your styling plan, I'd choose this more focused formula. It's positioned for frizz-prone curls and includes shea and muramura butters. More importantly, its slip supports detangling while creating a smoother base before styling. That makes it easier to justify when humidity management drives the whole routine. But that specialization can become overbuying when you only need ordinary wash-day softness. I wouldn't pick it as the simplest conditioner for generous, routine detangling. Skip it if humidity isn't a recurring concern or you don't need styling preparation from your conditioner. For detangling. Aussie Miracle Curls Conditioner. When thick curls or tight coils turn wash day into knot management, I'd pick this practical option. Slip is its defining attribute, which suits shower detangling with a comb, brush, or fingers. Its no-frills role also makes sense when you use conditioner generously and replace bottles frequently. But it isn't positioned as the color-treated choice or the humidity specialist. So don't buy it expecting one product to cover every styling concern. I wouldn't choose it when color care defines your routine. Skip it when humidity-focused smoothing matters more than working through tangles quickly. Garnier fits frequent routine conditioning, while Aussie prioritizes tougher detangling. Briogeo prepares frizz-prone curls for heat styling. Olaplex targets color care routines, while Ouidad makes the most sense when humidity shapes your styling choices. Before buying, decide how you detangle, whether fragrance matters, and what follows conditioning. Also check bottle storage and replacement burden, because generous routines empty products faster. I default to Garnier for straightforward routine conditioning, then switch to Aussie for tougher knots. Choose the specialized options only when styling or color care drives the purchase. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.